Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that your Bedrock edition and device support add-ons. This avoids wasted effort later. Next, download a trusted Worldedit-like behavior pack or a compatible add-on loader. This gives you the required commands and tools. Once done, make a full backup of the world. This protects against corrupt saves. Make sure to enable developer options or experimental gameplay if the add-on requires it, because those toggles allow new behaviors to load correctly. You now import the add-on file, double-click. Mcpack or use the game import feature. This installs both resource and behavior packs. Then, open your world settings and apply the packs under behavior and resource sections. This links the toolkit to your world. Make sure to toggle experimental features if the add-on needs them, because missing that step often prevents functions from appearing. Finally, restart Minecraft to ensure the engine registers the new content and show you enter the world and equip the selection tool, often given by a command like //wand. This marks corners so operations work. Then, practice basic commands such as //pos1, //pos2, //set, and //copy on small areas to learn how blocks and rotations behave. If something breaks, stop and restore your backup. Do not continue. Make sure packs are active and matched to your game version, because most errors come from mismatched versions or disabled experimental toggles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.